Greenland, an island of stunning beauty, vast landscapes, and strategic importance. Today, we're diving into the fascinating, complex relationship between Greenland and the United States, a bond that has evolved through centuries of history and continues to shape modern geopolitics. To understand the modern relationship between America and Greenland, we need to look back in history. Greenland, an autonomous territory of Denmark, has always been in the orbit of global powers, particularly the US. During World War II, the US established military bases in Greenland to defend the Western Hemisphere from Nazi threats. This continued through the Cold War, with Greenland's military significance growing due to its strategic location in the Arctic. Thule Air Base, situated in the far north, became one of the most important US military bases during the Cold War, serving as a key site for surveillance and defense against the Soviet Union. Even today, it remains vital for NATO's northern defense strategy. Fast forward to 2019, when President Donald Trump made international headlines by suggesting that the US purchase Greenland. The idea was controversial, to say the least. Greenland, along with Denmark, rejected the proposal outright, reaffirming that Greenland's sovereignty was non-negotiable. The incident highlighted both the ongoing interest the US has in Greenland's strategic location and the island's desire to maintain its autonomy. While the purchase never happened, it sparked a renewed conversation about Greenland's place in modern geopolitics. Greenland's geopolitical importance today is centered around the changing dynamics of the Arctic. As climate change accelerates, melting ice opens up new shipping routes and potentially valuable resources, such as rare minerals and oil. Countries, including the US, Russia, and China, are keenly aware of the shifting landscape. America views Greenland as critical for its security in the Arctic region. With increased Russian military presence nearby and China's growing interest in the area, maintaining a strong relationship with Greenland is seen as vital for US national security and global influence. While Greenland is an autonomous territory of Denmark, its modern political relationships are increasingly independent. In recent years, Greenland has focused on gaining more control over its affairs, including pushing for greater economic independence and managing its natural resources. Greenland's leadership has carefully balanced its relationships with both the US and Denmark. The island has been active in global discussions about the environment, and while Greenland welcomes investment, particularly in the realm of green energy and sustainable mining, it has been clear that its sovereignty is non-negotiable. Despite its sovereignty concerns, Greenland and the US maintain strong economic and scientific ties. American companies have invested in Greenland's mining and energy sectors, while research collaboration continues in areas like climate change and sustainable development. Both nations also cooperate on environmental initiatives, recognizing that Greenland's climate, one of the most sensitive on the planet, has a major global impact. The US and Greenland have worked together on research projects to better understand Arctic ecosystems and how to mitigate the effects of climate change in the region. As the Arctic continues to evolve, so too will the relationship between Greenland and the United States. From defense and security to economic and environmental partnerships, the two share a unique bond, grounded in history but always looking toward the future. Will the US continue to play a significant role in Greenland's future? Only time will tell. But one thing is clear: Greenland is no longer just a distant outpost, but a key player on the world stage. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more content like this. What do you think about the relationship between America and Greenland? Let us know in the comments.